I totally forgot I had a shop. Wow. I guess I should get back at it,
Right. So, it's been a minute. But the work must continue. We're gonna make some headway on these. This can of Armor Seal went bad and wasn't curing properly. So it nearly broke my spirit to pay $35 for a can of Armor Seal, but that's what I had to do. Anyway, we're gonna put another coat on these. We're gonna call it coat 2, even though technically speaking, this will be the third coat. The first coat, it's on there. It didn't do what it was supposed to do. Anywho, that's what we're gonna do tonight. And then we won't be back for several days because that's just the way adult life goes. Okay, it's time to put the juice on the wood. So it's kind of important that you mix this really well, because some settling does occur. I feel pretty good about that. All right. Now we're gonna scooch over here. And we're gonna get to it. Coat number 2, pretty sure. Who's counting? Anyway, looking pretty good. And we'll get back to this later. Or not. I don't know anymore. I really can't keep track of this. The other night, shockingly, I came in and actually used some of the machines. And the shocking part is that I still remembered how to use them. But anyway, we've got some walnut, mahogany, and sycamore. I would love to tell you that it's now the next day, but honestly, that was probably over a week ago. Anyway, I milled these up. I forgot when. But we gotta glue it together. We just gotta glue it. Let's do it. Let's glue it. Hey, very cool. I have woodworked. This is woodwork. I have done this. Okay, goodbye. So after however many days, I couldn't tell you, coat number whatever has cured. And so we're gonna go ahead and proceed with coat number, I have no idea. Cool. truly have no idea what coat number this is. So we're gonna pretend like it's 3 and press on.
These are done for now. Of course, I will eventually put finish on these after I do 1,000 hours of sanding. But for the moment, these are done, and they're gonna go over here on the shelf with all the other coasters that I will have to eventually sand. That's for another time though, probably later this year. All right, I've just put on coat number, the last one. And so we'll check on this tomorrow, which, if you're keeping track, tomorrow is July 4th. And this should be done. I should be able to finish these up. And then these will be available for a giveaway. Woo! Okay, so these are done. And I'm not even going to pretend like this is the same day. This is literally several days later after I actually finish these. But yeah, you will find details on how to win these on my Instagram page. It is the most recent post, so my handle is here somewhere on the screen.
Okay, so last night, I think, I went into the woodshed and scrounged around for some boards. And let's see, I found this piece of cherry, which there's a couple knots, but I can cut out of here. Sycamore and mahogany. All right, well, here's the next block, and it just needs to be glued up. And I would do that tonight, but I'm tired and I want to go to bed. So this will wait for another time.